If you're constantly dealing with the ringing, whining, or buzzing sound that happens in your inner ear, known as tinnitus or tinnitus, and you're looking for a non-invasive solution to the root cause of this issue, then this video is for you. You see, what happens in so many of these cases is there's an issue right here at the top of the neck where those bones have shifted and locked out of position. When they stay that way and those bones go undetected, it can cause irritation and inflammation to this region where the brainstem is. And your brainstem has an area of it called the superior olivary complex, and that complex helps with your auditory reflex so that when sound comes into the inner ear, the structures react appropriately to dampen the noise, allow you to process that sound, and ultimately determine what you're hearing in the first place. But when there is an issue up here in the top of the neck and it interrupts the normal function of the inner ear, this muscle, known as the stapedius muscle, can go into spasm. When it's constantly spasming in the background, it can recreate all the same ringing, whining, or buzzing sounds that you've been dealing with on a daily basis. Now here at NeckWise, we can take a 3D image of what's going on in the upper neck to determine what that misalignment looks like, so then we can make very gentle corrections, moving those bones back into their correct position, allowing your nervous system to balance itself out, and for these structures inside the inner ear to now get proper communication so that they can go back to their normal function. Now, if you're outside of the Utah Salt Lake area, you can go to uccnearme.com and you can find an upper cervical chiropractor in your area who can help.